Hey guys, how you doing? Are you suffering from tennis elbow? So pain on the outside of the elbow. Usually it's a common problem, not only just for tennis players, but everyday people. Whether you're constantly typing at a desk and you're allowing your fingers to move up and down, you're always activating these outside forearm muscles. So when that happens, you could get irritation, possibly some inflammation, and obviously you get pain. Pain very localized. If you go and handshake somebody or open a door, you can have these type of issues. So amongst treatment, what we do in clinic, you could do some stuff at home. And at home we have these flex bars, they're called. And what they're meant to do is give you some resistance while you're exercising and training your forearm muscles. So simply you take the flex bars and you do some twisting. And as you're twisting, you're developing tension and you're actually working out your forearms. These flex bars come in different colors and different thicknesses, which starts from 5 pounds all the way to 25 pounds to really give you a workout. And they're bendable, they're movable, and what they allow you to do is do some home care exercise and rehab to strengthen your forearm. So if you're suffering with any forearm issues, tennis elbow specifically, or even golfer's elbow, which is inside of the elbow pain, we could certainly help either with hands-on treatment, or you could come by, grab one of these little guys over here, and we can help you out.